worth it. Alright, what's up guys? I'm back with another video. Right now we're in the airport. Got my boy Dame here.
What's up, what's up?
We're gonna go pick up a new car to the fleet. Yeah, we're gonna keep y'all posted.
That's 5 a.m.
To Las Vegas, where the local time is 7:42. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your carry-on turned off the fasten safety belt sign. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins.
First thing I see is slot machine.
Okay, let's gamble real quick.
Let's lose some money.
Okay, let's lose some money real quick. Just touched down.
Let's touch it down.
Vegas with it.
Finally.
Finally, man. Now we gotta look for the guy from Squid Games. Alright, this is my first time in Vegas. About to go gamble. Oh, that's funny.
That was crazy. The fucking airports here have slots.
Bro, the airport here is a casino.
That's ridiculous.
Bro, where the fuck am I, bro? How do you feel, bro?
Excited, bro.
Bro's tired of shit.
Picked up in a G8. But I'm fucking tired of it.
Oh yeah, boy.
He rolled the fenders pretty goddamn nice. Like real nice. He was really good at everything he did.
Oh yeah. She's here. Taco spot. Alright guys, we got the car, we're going home now.
Fat ass Jeep. Rock climber Jeep. Shit'll run over my fucking.
Alright. Bag secured.
Let's head out. Fucking great G8. Outstanding G8.
Damn near perfect G. Even got suede headliners. Chill, shawty.
Barely stepped on it and started swimming.
This shit kicks loose, bro. It got an LS3.
I didn't know.
What the
Track
fuck?
control on. Track on, bro. And low-key, that's a cool sight to see. Water going up.
Damn, we're really in Vegas right now.
Bro, start swinging it right.
Gotta re-up. Gotta do some pit stop. Get some agua. Flat ass agua.
Can we break up on
Something, bro. Anything.
Nas. We gotta get Nas after that.
Alright, bro.
Bro's trying to put Nas in his car. Okay. 200 milligrams of caffeine. Nas.
200 shots of Nas.
Alright, you want one? Or you want something else?
Low-key hate energy drinks, but I'm running off of no sleep. Gotta do it. Good Nevada car. It's a 09 GT. It's got a LS3 in it.
Yeah, looking at it shit.
Got the JXP Brembos. Alright guys, I'm just waiting here in the car, waiting for my boy Dame. He's taking a shit right now, but we got 9 hours ahead of us, driving back to the bay, and we'll keep y'all posted. What the hell? Bro, it's icy as fuck. Snowstorm, bruh.
Bro, snowstorm. Yeah, I don't want to get stuck over here. Why is this weird?
Holy shit,
That
bruh.
whole mountain is white. Snow, bro.
Hey, it's snowing tough, bro. Holy shit. Alright, guys. Stopped at a gas station. Survived that winter storm.
Barely survived.
Yeah, shit was looking pretty bad. But nonetheless. Sheesh. She made it out. We still got 4 hours to go, but we'll be there in no time. Stop raining.
These rims are looking straight.
Yeah, low-key Mero rims are the ones. Boys hella happy.
Of course we can't see it.
Got the Corsa cap back. hours to go. It's 3:30 in the morning. That boy slumped. Back home. Back to the motherland. Oh yeah. Shots fired. Hell yeah, boy. Good 10 hours.
5 a.m.
4 a.m.
She can be chopped if she was open.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video there. It's 4 in the morning right now. I'm running off of like 2 hours of sleep, but it was all worth it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the share button. And for my boy Dane, bro, congrats, bro. You deserve it. Shit was hella fun, bro. And I hope to make more videos like this.